Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to use a copy module. So copy module usually useful to copy a file from one location to another location or one server to another server. So in this case, we are going to copy a file from our Ansible master node to target system. So before start writing our Ansible playbook, let's go and see what we can do with the copy module. This is the copy module on Ansible documentation. The copy module copies a file from the local or remote mission to a location on the remote mission. Okay, and if we go to little bit down, you can see the parameters, what and all parameters we can use. Dest, nothing but destination, onto which location do you want to copy, this must be available. And also we should have source. Before going to the source, you can see group if you would like to change the group. Mode, nothing but permission. Owner, ownership. And src, nothing but where is the source file is exist. So all this information we should provide. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the example: copy a file with owner and permission, copy source, destination, and also owner, group, and mode. So this is one of the example and few other examples we have. Anyway, let's go and create a Ansible playbook to copy a file. So first I'm going to create a file called index.html, which I'm going to use in my later classes. So index.html, I'm just going to name it as a h1 Ansible playbook to copy a file. Okay, just I'm giving some content over here. Then we'll write a playbook Ansible, sorry, va copy underscore file dot yml. So 3 minus s, then minus name, Ansible playbook to copy a file. Hosts, I'm going to do it on all. Then become true. Actually, to copy a file, you don't require to become a true. But if you are changing the ownership of your file, yes, of course, you should execute those commands as a root user. That is the reason I'm using become true. Tasks. So the task is name, copy a file, and module name copy. And copy module requires src. So source, we have created a file under opt ansible index.html, right? Then destination, where do you want to copy? I want to copy it onto slash home ans admin home directory only. Then mode, nothing but while copying, what are the permissions do you want to give? I just want to give 0600. Then owner, nothing but do you want to change the owner of this file? Yes, I want to give it to the John. Okay, John user is already exist, so we can give it. So if you don't need owner change, then you don't require the become true. So let's save this file and Ansible playbook -i hosts copy a file. Okay, if I execute this one, it is going to actually going to create a file on the target system. But you just would like to check whether it is working fine or not. So check, usually just check whether the playbook going to work fine or not. So let's execute. See here, changed nothing but it is going to change it, but it is not actually changed. So if you see here, ls only demo file is there. Here also we are already in Ansible home directory, ls demo file only, ls demo file only. Now one more command is there just to check your syntax. Syntax check is the another command which is going to check your syntax. Okay, syntax check. Syntax spelling itself is wrong. All right, so syntax check, it is going to check the syntax. Let me modify my file. So I'm just removed one extra space over here, and if I try to execute this one, it is going to throw an error that it is not at the right indentation. So let's execute now this playbook. So let's modify this file and I save this file, and let's execute this playbook actually. Alright, this has been updated, and if I go and check this time, I can see the index.html, and you can see the permission. It is 600, and it is owned by John. Same thing over here as well, and here as well. So that is how we can copy a file onto target system by using the copy module. Thanks for watching this lecture, and see you in the next lecture.